8% is the mental growth. What it says, when a person is in the age of 2 years, the mental growth is more than the physical growth. The mental growth about the mind grows about 30%, the brain grows about 30%, but the physical growth is less. When the person goes to 4 years, whatever the physical growth must be around 42%, but mental growth is 50%. That's why आप लोग बच्चे लोग को देखोगे ना, किसी का बच्चा है, उसको कुछ बोल दो, पर बड़े आदमी जैसा आंसर दे देगा. Because this is gray matter is already developed, but लगता है physical development नहीं हुआ है, तो बच्चा लगता है. When they go to 8 years, you see the mind develops to 80%. Can you imagine? 8 years, 80% is already developed. But physics, maybe roughly not even 50%. When the person attains 18 years, they coincide. Both mind and physics develop. After that, reshaping takes place. Now there is a science on mind which tells we lose brain cells every day. Any number of brain cells, any idea how many number of brain cells we lose every day? Excellent. It's about 10,000 brain cells we lose. But mind also, brain also creates brain cells. So science says when you reach about the age of 80, total decay of brain cells in us is 3%. That means whatever is decayed, it is being replenished. And then there is another science which talks about that says average human mind can think of 800 words per minute. Isn't it? 800 words. But an average trainer can speak 120 words a minute. Average trainer can speak 120 words a minute. Mind can speak and think 800 words. So in every training process, there is a gap of the words. The number of gap is roughly around 680 words. So that's why what happens, participants, they get disconnected. Because they think more, but they get less. That's why the trainer needs to engage the participants, because that vacuum they get, it gets engaged with the process. Now whether you name it entertainment, you name it pleasure, you name it fun, it has a different name for different person. So that, and trainer's role is to manage that gap. And if a trainer speaks faster, say I will speak 180 words per minute, I would look like Sekasuman. So what happens? Whatever I speak, a person may not conceptualize that. So that is why that's the biggest challenge. Why we make people to get engaged with the process. Then, in the process of learning, you must be knowing there are 4 theories basically, or 4 schools of thoughts, 4 prospects. One is called classical conditioning, then operant conditioning, then cognitive learning, and social learning. There are 4 process of learning. Some of you are in the process, you are training or you are imparting training on, say, grooming. Grooming is a training which takes the principle of classical conditioning more. If you apply this of this company, you get classically conditioned to a company or product, whatever is that. This is the skin type, this is whatever that your body type looks, gets conditioned. It's more application of classical conditioning. When you go for human processes, say you make something sensitivity lab, you're actually making more application of cognitive learning. So it depends what principle you are pulling in. I'm not going to talk more about it because I see there is a range in the participation, among the participants. If I talk about this conditioning process, maybe some of you get disconnected. So I'm taking care of that 680 words, so I'm skipping this. But you can always read it. It is available. And if anybody wants to know more about it, you can